How to select hair in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. First, duplicate your photo by press Ctrl+J. Create new solid layer by click this icon and select solid color and then choose the color whatever you want. We need to select the object. Go to Select and click Object. After that, go to Select, press and hold Shift on your keyboard and then click Select and Mask. For the radius, I set 4 pixels. Then brush the hair area. Check the option Decontaminate Color and set the amount by 40. Click OK. Duplicate the layer by press Ctrl+J. Then select both layer. Right-click on that layer and select Merge Layers. And voila, you're done. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.